Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. See how I turn this curbside flip into cash. What do you think? So I spotted this piece as I was driving home and I just couldn't resist. I checked it out and found out she was just barely damaged, and what a waste just to put this out. So I decided to take it home and give it some love. I can't tell you how many times I've seen an influencer or DIYer do this, split something open just so they can put glue in it. And I'm so happy I finally got to do it myself. It's pretty satisfying. I used my really big clamp to clamp this, and I am lucky that it fit. It barely did. I left it to dry overnight, and see, there I am tightening it. Look at that glue squeeze. Amazing. Let it dry overnight and fix this cubby with some more glue and some more pin nails, and then came back the next morning. So here is an HVLP sprayer from Tillswall. This is a company that contacted me and wanted me to make a video using their sprayer. And I thought, sure, why not? Let's give it a go. That's why I'm doing all this, and putting it out there on social media is to get some of the perks. But I did say to myself, if I did not like this, I would tell you. But I really liked it. It was really easy to use, easy to take apart, just easy to spray. And that is my honest opinion. So I will link it in the description below, and you can get one for yourself if you want. It sells on Amazon, and they have even given me a coupon code for you guys to use if you want to try this sprayer out. It is a good sprayer for a newbie, and it comes with really good directions to be able to put it all together. So this is the part where I got a little extra. I could have left it just as I had sprayed it and it was black and it looked really pretty, but I had this leftover rattan, and rattan is really popular right now. So I decided to cover the fronts with the rattan and staple it. Okay, time for my favorite part, which is staging. You guys know I love to decorate or make a good vignette. This is a rug that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to be an outdoor rug, but I wanted to use it because the black and the cream go with the black and the cream of the piece. And I just think it looks so cute. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments below. And I'm happy to say that I donated her to a local women's shelter, and she is being used already in an apartment. Not yet. In a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and even though you think it may not, it helps boost my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.